Your Australia, your way. Presented by Gateway Travel, Wholesale Tours. Since 1972, this is Australia. Dream it, love it, manifest it. With Gateway Travel, we're the wholesaler trusted by agents and groups worldwide. Since 1972. Book smarter with Gateway VIP perks, true wholesale prices, tailor-made luxury tours, free booking engine and training, Sydney-based DMC support commission for groups of 16 plus. It's the attraction of a lifetime, and it's all yours. Australia isn't a dream, it's a destination you deserve to experience. Travel agents and groups welcome, wholesale only. Established in 1972, Australian-owned DMC in Sydney.